Unlawful assembly is a legal term that describes a group of people who intend to disturb the peace through criminal force. It's defined in Section 141 of the Indian Penal Code, 1860. What is considered unlawful assembly? 1. A group of 5 or more people with a common goal to use criminal force. 2. A group that intends to overthrow a government, public servant, or law enforcement. 3. A group that intends to resist a law or legal process. 4. A group that intends to commit a crime, such as mischief or trespass. 5. A group that intends to take property or deprive someone of their rights. And 6. A group that intends to force someone to do something they aren't legally required to do. What are the punishments for unlawful assembly? Imprisonment for up to 6 months, fines, and enhanced penalties if the group commits a crime like rioting. What is the difference between an unlawful assembly and a riot? 1. An unlawful assembly is a group that intends to disturb the peace. 2. A riot is an unlawful assembly that's about to start disturbing the peace. And 3. A riot is an unlawful assembly that's already disturbing the peace.